If you want to download apps on Google Pixel 10a, you can use the Play Store, which you should be able to find by default on the home screen, but also you can go to the app drawer, and then in here we can find the Play Store as well. Once you open it, you will see some example apps, the popular choices that you can of course go through, and you can find anything that you wish to use on your phone. You can also go to games, for example, or you can use the search button that we have at the bottom of the screen if you're looking for something specific. At the top we can use the search field, and then we can type the name of the app that you want to get on your phone. So let's say we're gonna search for TikTok. Of course we can use the suggestions that appear after typing something, and then you can use the install button on the right side of the app, or you can tap on the app in order to find more details about it, and then we can press the install button in here. Once the app is installed, you can open it from the Play Store over here. You will find an open button. As you can see, there is also automatic open when ready. And instead of using the Play Store app, you should also be able to find it on the home screen, at least by default, which there we go, it is installing in here. And also you can find it in the app drawer as well, once it is installed at least. It is still not installed, so I would have to wait for it, but it's going to be in here in the app drawer as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.